My name is Miss Natalie and I run Baby Ballet in Hailsham and Lewes and Eastbourne. It's my first one, so it was a good chance to get to meet everybody and learn lots from everyone that has been doing Baby Ballet for a lot longer than I have. It's just such a nice community to be a part of, more than anything. Like, you know, it's confirmed everything that I already knew, that everyone's friends and everyone's really helpful and willing to help everybody.
I'm Miss Liana and my area is Altrincham, Urmston and Knutsford. Today is actually my first conference. I joined back in 2018 but couldn't come to the conference in 2019, so super excited to be here today. First conference, can't wait to see and learn new things. So we've been doing some social media stuff which is really great, learning about Reels, learning about LinkedIn stuff, and it's just really good to network with the great people who are here too.
I'm Miss Victoria and I'm from Baby Ballet Swindon. So we know that it's going to be 2 days packed full of fun, it's going to be insightful and very exciting to see everyone.
So my name's Miss Felicity, I run Brighouse and Huddersfield Central. I've been part of Baby Ballet for over 10 years, but I've run my franchise for 5, so I know a lot of the faces, but to actually get to meet them and be part of the franchise as a franchisee is just lovely, and I like socialising with everyone. I love learning about all the new things that are coming in, so like the marketing and keeping up to date with that, because that's something that really does change so quickly. And I just I've loved the atmosphere of everyone, and our theme this year being rainbow and inclusive, and just having that inclusive vibe this year.
My name is Miss Holly and I run the franchisee of Baby Ballet in Reading and Henley. I bought my franchise a couple of years ago and this is my first ever Baby Ballet conference, which is super exciting. I started not that long ago and I didn't really know anyone when I first came here, and everyone's been super lovely, and it's been nice to sort of like reconnect and realise that everyone's sort of in it together and everyone's got a really similar mindset as well. So it's really lovely to be able to talk to people who you just click with. Like, it's so rare to be in a room full of like 80 people that you just get, and that's been really amazing.
My name's Tim Wild, so myself and my partner, we manage in Brentwood, Romford, Billericay and Chelmsford. Well, we are quite new and we've only just taken over the franchise, so ultimately we want to get to know all of the other franchisees and learn more about what other people are doing to build their business. It's good to learn, good to see how they're doing things, what they're doing different to what we're doing locally, and what's working for them, what's not working for them. Yeah, trying to see if we can implement anything into our business.
I'm Jessie and I'm the Baby Ballet franchisee in Dartford, Bexley and Bromley. Anything to do with social media and marketing is my bag, so I've absolutely loved the session so far, learning about new tips and new tools for that. I absolutely love Baby Ballet. If you cut me open, I would be pink and blue through and through, and I can't even imagine doing any other job in the world and having as much fun as we do and making such a difference to all the lives of the little children. Stop thinking about it and do it, because it's going to be the best decision you've ever made. The support you get as a franchisee is incredible. The networking, the family that you become a part of is just incredible, and you'll never ever look back.
My name's Marie Fisher and I look after Edinburgh North, so I've got classes in Stockbridge, South Queensferry and Kirkliston. Well, this is my first one. I started my franchise just before COVID, and so yeah, brought myself to the conference to meet everyone rather than over the screens.
Hi, I'm Miss Heather and I am from Bradford in West Yorkshire. I'm excited to be pink and sparkly by the time I leave, and to do lots of planning for the future, and to have some ideas for social media content and for all the things that are to come in the year. The poor conference suite didn't realise quite how loud we would be. There's been lots of laughing and cheering already. I don't think the usual business meetings are quite as dancey as we've been, but it's been really nice to just let our hair down a little bit and be ourselves rather than the teacher in the class with the little ones. It's nice to be a grown-up for a little bit.
I'm Miss Kelly and I own Baby Ballet franchise in Brighton, Peacehaven and Hayward. So what's brought me to the conference is I absolutely love getting together with our Baby Ballet family, and it's time to engage, also a bit of learning, and hope to expand and help grow my business and see everybody, because we're all big friends. And I just think we're so blessed. I'm so grateful and thankful to the head office team for doing it.
Hi, I'm Miss Emma and I look after Lincoln, Gainsborough and Scunthorpe areas of Baby Ballet classes. I have been a franchisee now for just over 5 years. The conference is great. The one time we get to come together, share ideas, catch up, and learn lots of new tips and tricks along the way. I have loved it, it's been great. Lots of wonderful speakers this year, learned lots about social media and just a great experience.